Did you know that on March 23, 2010, the Elder Justice Act was signed into law as part of the landmark Affordable Care Act? With the signing of the Elder Justice Act, President Obama culminated a decades-long effort to bring national attention to the abuse, neglect, and exploitation of America's elders. This act is the first federal law to specifically state that it is the right of older adults to be free of abuse, neglect, and exploitation. Will the adoption of the Elder Justice Act result in a cohesive, comprehensive, and sustained national campaign to prevent and address elder abuse? Only time will tell. What we do know is that the financial exploitation of older adults has been a growing problem in America. The impact on the older adult of neglect, emotional abuse, and financial exploitation can be both devastating and life-altering. The purpose of this show is to familiarize you with both the history of the national elder abuse efforts and provisions of the new Elder Justice Act. Let's start with how elder abuse is defined. In 1987, Congress defined elder abuse as the domestic and institutional abuse of persons over the age of 60 involving physical, sexual, and emotional harm, as well as neglect, self-neglect, abandonment, and financial exploitation. This definition recognized that the issues of elder abuse and neglect represented a societal problem which cuts across income, race, socioeconomic, religious, and cultural lines. There are age-related factors which exacerbate elder abuse, such as retirement, disability, and shifting family roles. Moreover, an older adult's isolation, dependence, impairment of mobility, as well as cognitive function and the effects of medication may contribute to his or her risk of being abused, neglected, and/or exploited by family members. This abuse can be physical, emotional, or financial. Financial abuse includes theft, financial manipulation, and fraud. Institutional abuse, on the other hand, may encompass neglect, human rights violations, misuse of medication, and imposing involuntary seclusion. Also, sexual, verbal, and physical abuse by employees, contract workers, other residents, and visitors is encompassed in the term institutional elder abuse. Some examples are in order here. An example of neglect is subpar care leading to bed sores. An example of human rights violations is the use of unnecessary physical restraints. Intervention and prevention of elder abuse requires a wide system of community involvement, from family members to social workers to healthcare professionals, legal professionals, financial professionals, and to concerned neighbors. Most states have mandatory reporting laws, and most provide protection for all family or household members threatened with physical harm. Unfortunately, elders suffer in silence. Because of the hidden nature of their abuse, it is believed that the quality of elder abuse data is severely limited. Therefore, some believe that elder abuse is far more prevalent than the number of cases actually reported. For example, a National Elder Abuse Incidence Study estimated that in 1996, approximately 500,000 older persons in domestic settings were newly abused, neglected, exploited, or experienced self-neglect. The study also concluded that many incidents of elder abuse, neglect, exploitation, or self-neglect went unreported. A 2009 report estimated the annual financial loss by victims of elder financial exploitation to be approximately $2.6 billion. Despite all of this information, efforts to establish a national strategy to address elder abuse has been slow. This is our show. As always, thank you to you, our viewers, for watching Your Money, Your Life. My name is Attorney Ramsey Bahrawy, building your trust.